Hey everybody, if you're looking at uniform rental cancellation on Reddit, there's a lot of people that's got a lot of questions about uniform rental cancellations. A lot of people that got questions about Cintas, about Aramark, Alsco, UniFirst. Big problems going on with these uniform rental companies, and that's where they get a lot of their information from Reddit. But there's a lot of other places where you can get information on the companies, like you could check their reviews on Google, but mostly check their reviews on Yelp, because that's going to give you the full story. There's a lot of questions, and if you're looking to get your questions answered, and you're currently looking on Reddit, then call me. I'm a uniform rental expert. I can help you to figure out what's going on with your contract. I can help you to cancel your contract early. I can write legal letters for you. I can help you if you're going to arbitration. I can negotiate your new contract. So look at, again, if you're looking at Cintas reviews on Reddit, or you're looking at any type of uniform rental company, anything on Reddit, then call me. I will help you to answer any of your questions. The first call is always free, so don't hesitate. Send me a copy of your contract and a copy of your invoice. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be bringing out with more videos, okay? Talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.